We're now here with the X3's slightly faster but slightly younger little brother. This is the BMW Z4 S-Drive 20i. Soak it up, drink it in. This car is awesome, an absolute perfect little number for the summer. We have huge, great big tyres and wheels, obviously. Awesomely long, dynamic finned bonnet that looks really sharp in the light as it catches. Huge, great big grille and a mean looking front. 5-spoke rims, looking fantastic, in awesome condition as well, I must add. BMW logos on the side here, as you can see. Now, as it is a convertible, it is a fair weather car. If you want to get its full use out of it, obviously the hard top does actually help a lot. It's not a soft top. Now, it is actually a very cold day. This isn't an engine malfunction. It is actually a couple of degrees right now. It's about, what does it make it? 4 o'clock, and it is chilly. So I'm going to hop inside, we'll whack the heating up and put the roof back on as it is getting cold. And you're locked in. There we go. That is the 30 seconds, if you will, process of putting the roof up or down. It's one button, you just need to hold it down. It's not automatic where you can just press it, because then obviously you do lose the attention if you were to just press it and walk off, or put your hand out the window for something or reach for something and then the roof is still coming down. So the reason that it is a hold down is that you have to focus on that for the 30 seconds of doing it. Just a safety feature. Now I'm going to take you through the dashboard, the extra features and the quality of the interior. Now, we don't have an iDrive system, we do have a radio, but there's not much space up here. They haven't put one in, which I can understand. Is storage for, bougie sunglasses, anything else you need. We've got a radio, and for two people, a radio and some connection to a phone is absolutely fine. You don't need much more than that. This isn't a comfort kind of car, this is an experience and kind of a weekend car. You wouldn't be racking up the miles in this, hence why it's not done many miles. It is an automatic, which adds to the ease of driving. We've got different modes. We've got Comfort and Sport Plus. We don't have an Eco Pro mode. As I say, it isn't a car that you just drive to the shops and back in. Now, we have plenty of controls on the steering wheel. We've got disc change on the radio. That's maybe a couple of years old now. Disc selection or track selection. We have aircon. We have phone connections and receiving calls. Volume, cruise control underneath, flappy panel gear changes, indicators, which some BMWs apparently don't use. We also have wipers, etc., and automatic beams, etc. On the sides of the seats, we have lumbar support and reach and brake control, but also, this is obviously the case in a lot of the BMWs, these seats have actual airbags in the sides which inflate and deflate corresponding with what you press on this rocker here. If you press it forward, it sucks you into the chair. If you press it backwards, it deflates and gives you more of a comforting feeling. Now that's obviously for the Sport mode and the Sport Plus mode. If you're going around maybe a racetrack or something, it's going to want to suck you into the chair and keep you locked to the car with a more inclusive experience. There's not much boot space. So I normally say you could fit a couple of golf clubs in here, but I don't think you fit many golf clubs, if any, in here. Maybe one, like I say, small children's putter in the very small back piece there. Now, that is the BMW Z4 walk round. It's at Anchor Cars. We are in Reading, Berkshire. If you're interested in this car or any other car on the website, give us a call. Our number, you can't miss it, it's on the website. So, I've been Jamie from Anchor Cars. Thank you very much for watching.